Do you dream of a tidy and organized home? Pegboards are a trendy and practical solution. They transform clutter into functional art. Say goodbye to messy desks and chaotic kitchens. Embrace the power of pegboards. Before you begin, gather your tools. You'll need a pegboard, choose a size that fits your space. Pegboard hooks, baskets and shelves. A drill and screws for mounting. A level to ensure it hangs straight. Asterisk. A tape measure. A pencil for marking. Find these items at your local hardware store or online. First, measure your space. Choose a pegboard that fits comfortably. Next, use a level and pencil to mark the wall for drilling. This ensures your pegboard hangs straight. Now, drill holes at the marked spots. Insert screws, leaving a small gap for the pegboard to hang. Then, hang your pegboard on the screws. Finally, arrange your hooks, baskets, and shelves. Think about what you need to store. A pegboard can be tailored to any room: workspace, hang tools, art supplies, or office essentials. Kitchen, store pots, pans, utensils, and spices. Garage. Organize tools, gardening equipment, and sports gear. Hanging your masterpiece. Securing your pegboard. Make sure your pegboard is securely mounted. Use strong screws appropriate for your wall type. Ask for advice at your local hardware store if needed. Unleashing your inner artist. Decorating your pegboard. Let your creativity shine. Choose a color that complements your decor. Create patterns and borders with washi tape. Add a personal touch with pictures and quotes. Pegboard Organization, a world of possibilities. The possibilities are endless. Use small jars to store beads or buttons. Hang baskets for larger items. Create a vertical herb garden. The joy of order, benefits of a tidy space. An organized space reduces stress. It promotes creativity and productivity. You'll save time by finding things easily. Conclusion. Embrace the pegboard revolution. Pegboards are more than just storage solutions. They are a way to express yourself. Embrace the pegboard revolution and transform your space today.